Guys, we're rolling live down on Unity Beach today. It's Nigel, the caravan man. Forgot what I was going to say then. Swift Freestyle caravan 2021 for sale, 15,500. Have a look at it, guys. It comes with a motormover. It's got like 4 or 5 awnings. I don't know what's going on with the awnings. I'm going to show you in a minute the awnings.
Got everything, hasn't it, this one?
Every single thing you can think of, guys. It's quite a unique one. Have a look down there, Dave. Damo's the cameraman, by the way. It's quite a unique van. There's no marks on it, Damo.
No, it's clean.
I think it's a 4-berth, and the toilet is in the middle of the van, so they can both use it. It's quite unique. Come and have a look at this, Damo. It's got a huge shower, toilet, fixed end bed, but this all locks away, look. It's got brackets for the TV in the bedroom. Fixed bed. Oh, you've knocked all the things off. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Keep rolling, live.
Yeah. Oh, let me get the shower.
Okay.
Big shower.
Sorry, guys. Got everything. What do you think? There's 2 doors either side. A door there, a door there. If you know this van, you'll understand the quality. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful van. Yeah, everything's
storage underneath the bed.
Yeah, everything.
Oh, and there's another door this side for people to get in. Yeah.
Yeah. So it says in those doors. So you've got fridge, mic, speakers. I'm going to clue what this is, Jamo. I'm going to clue what this is. We're static caravan. We sell them on park. We sell these off park. 15.5. Have a look at the awnings outside.
There's loads of extras with this one. It's got twin motor movers apparently.
Oh, whatever that means. But look at all this, mate. You've got sheets for the awning. You've got, I don't know what that is. But that
covers, sheets, blankets,
wires,
rugs,
toilet,
cables,
everything. Yeah.
Got everything with it.
S4 EB, whatever that means, David. Freestyle. Yeah.
4-end bed.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Let me move away from it a little bit.
Nice,
I can get it all in. Yeah, it is nice.
So you've got all the kit with it, guys. All you ought to do, send Damo, or call Damo. What's your number, Damo?
The telephone number's 07976 827734. If you want any information, if you want to come down and have a look at it, just give us a call on that number.
It's a nice bit of kit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, send Damo a message, come down. This won't be here long. Yeah, 15.5, down in Unity Beach in Somerset. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and keep in touch.
I'm just going to walk all the way around quickly so people can see how nice it is.
It's in good nick. It's in the storage yard, so the storage yard's a bit messy because we've got pipes everywhere. Yeah.
You're a bit safe here, so nice.
Hook us up, guys. Send us a message. Thanks for watching.
Cheers, guys.